Okay, welcome to my channel Maths with Mahanti sir. Children, today let us discuss few MCQ questions from the chapter trigonometry, which are very important and are generally coming in the board examination. Okay, suppose the first question is, you are given the value of say sec theta plus tan theta. Suppose you are given sec theta plus tan theta equal to x. Okay, and the question is, find the value of sec theta. What will be the value of sec theta if sec theta plus tan theta is x? How to find the value of tan theta? You see, how to find the value of sec theta? In this question, so as you want to find sec theta, you express this tan theta in terms of sec. Express tan ratio in terms of sec ratio. Okay. So you know what is the relation? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So if sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, then tan theta will be definitely sec square theta what? Plus, you see, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So how to express tan theta? So tan square theta will be equal to, you see, it will be sec square theta minus 1. So you apply this formula here. That means express tan theta in terms of sec theta. Why? Because we want to find the value of sec theta. Okay. So let us see what is happening. So this is sec theta plus, instead of tan theta, it will be sec square theta minus 1. Okay. Equal to your x. Now keep this one in the left hand side and take sec theta to the right hand side. You see, sec square theta minus 1 square root. It will be equal to x minus sec theta. Now, what is the next step? The next step is you take the square both sides. Squaring both sides, what will happen? Let us see. If you square both sides, here square and root will be cancelled. It will be sec square theta minus 1. And look at the right hand side. The right hand side is of the form a minus b whole square. So it will be x square plus sec square theta minus 2x into sec theta. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now see, sec square theta cancel. Then take minus 1 to the right hand side and bring minus 2x sec theta to the left hand side. It will be 2x sec theta. It is x square minus 1. Now you can easily find what will be the value of sec theta. It will be x square minus 1 by 2x. See. So, if sec theta plus tan theta is x, then the value of sec theta will be x square minus 1 by 2x. In this way you can find. Okay, let us discuss another question. Suppose you are given sec theta plus tan theta is x and you are asked to find tan theta here. You see, suppose we want to find what will be the value of tan theta, not sec theta. Let us see how to find. To find the value of tan theta, what you will do, see. So to find tan theta, let us express sec theta in terms of tan theta. You know, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So definitely sec square theta will be equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And sec theta will be the square root. So instead of sec theta, what we will write? 1 plus tan square theta under square root plus tan theta equal to x. Now take tan theta to the right hand side. So 1 plus tan square theta square root will be equal to x minus tan theta. Now take the square both sides. That means squaring both sides. What will you get? You see, if you square both sides, so the left hand side, what will it give you? It will give you 1 plus tan square theta only, because square and root will be cancelled. So this will be x square plus tan square theta minus 2x tan theta. How did I get this expression? I got this expression by applying the formula a minus b whole. This is a, this is b, a minus b whole square. So I applied the formula here. Now see, tan square, it will be cancelled. Okay. So take 1 to the right hand side and bring this one, 2x tan theta, to the left hand side. It will be 2x tan theta will be equal to x square minus 1. So tan theta will be equal to how much? It will be x square minus 1 by 2x. You see. So, if sec theta plus tan theta is x, then the value of tan theta will be equal to x square minus 1 by 2x. So, in this way you can find the value of tan theta if you are given the value of sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, let us discuss another question. See, suppose you are given a question like this. Suppose you are given your find the value of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta under square root. You see, what will be the value of this trigonometric expression? Okay, what will be the value of this trigonometric expression? See, in order to find the value of this type of trigonometric equation, what is the simple trick? The trick is, you see, look at the denominator. Here it is given 1 minus sin theta. If we multiply 1 plus sin theta to the denominator, it will be of the form what? A minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Okay, so it will become 1 minus sin square theta, and that is cos square theta. And if you take the square root, it will become cos theta. So if you multiply here 1 plus sin theta, you have to multiply the same binomial 1 plus sin theta to the numerator also. That means you multiply, what I want to say, you multiply to the numerator and denominator, you multiply 1 plus sin theta. Why we will multiply 1 plus sin theta? Because look at the denominator. Here it is given 1 minus sin theta. So as it is 1 minus sin theta, multiply its opposite or negative, you can say 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so and multiply 1 plus sin theta to the numerator also. So it is 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta under square root. Now this is a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b whole square. So that means it is 1 plus sin theta whole square, and look at the denominator. It is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So it will become 1 minus sin square theta. And this is what? This will be square root of, you see, 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by, this is 1 minus sin square theta is your cos square theta. Now under square root. Okay. Now on further simplification, what will it yield? It will yield your square root of 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by square root of cos square theta. Okay. So square root of cos square theta is no doubt cos theta, and here square root, you cancel the square and root. So what will you get? You will get 1 plus sin theta. See. So square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta will be equal to this, and on further simplification, this will be 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So which will be equal to 1 by cos theta, it is the reciprocal of sec theta. So it is sec theta, and sin theta by cos theta is what? It is equal to your tan theta. So sec theta plus tan theta, you see. So square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta will be equal to sec theta plus tan theta. It is also equal to 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So whichever option will be there, either the option will be this or the option will be this. So out of these two, whichever option is there in the question, you may tick that one. Okay. So let us discuss another question. The question is, suppose 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. See, here is a similar question. 1 plus cos theta by your 1 minus cos theta. See, it is a similar type question under square root. What will be the value of this trigonometric expression? Let us find out. We can proceed in a similar manner like we did number 3. See, here it is 1 minus cos theta. So multiply 1 plus cos theta to the denominator as well as the numerator, and then simplify. See, so it is 1 minus cos theta multiply 1 plus cos theta. We cannot multiply it only to the denominator, we have to multiply it to the numerator also, otherwise the value of the fraction will change. Yes. So this is 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now under square root. Now this will become what? Your a plus b whole square, that is 1 plus cos theta whole, and this will become 1 minus cos square theta under square root. So this on further simplification, it will be 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta is your sin square theta, you know it. So it is sin square theta. So if you further simplify it, You see, this will be equal to square root of 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by square root of cos square theta. So this will be cos square theta square root will be cos theta, and here square and root will be cancelled. It will be 1 plus your cos theta. Okay. Sin square theta. Oh, sorry, it is sin square theta, not cos square theta. It is square root of sin square theta. Sin square theta. So this will be sin theta. You see, square root of sin square theta is sin theta. Square root of 1 plus cos theta whole square is 1 plus cos theta. Cancelling your square and root. So this will be 1 by, on further simplification, it will be 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta, you know it is the reciprocal of which one? Your cosec. So this will be cosec theta, and this will be cos by sin is cot theta. See. So square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, it will be either this or this. So whatever option will be there in the question, you will choose or click accordingly. Okay. You will tick either this option or this option. Okay. Whichever option is there in the question, you will tick that one. The value of this one, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta will be equal to cosec theta plus cot theta, or it is equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so both the options are correct. Next, let us discuss another question. See, suppose you are given a question, say sec 4a minus sec square a. See, suppose you are given sec 4a minus sec square a. Okay. What will be its value on expansion? Okay. If you express it in terms of tan, express this one, sec 4a minus sec square a in terms of tan a. So what will be the answer if we express this trigonometric expression in terms of tan a? See, how to do? Now see, sec square a, you know sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. Here sec 4a, here sec square a. We can take sec square a common. Let us take first common sec square a. If you take common sec square a, so what will be left here? Sec square a minus 1. Okay. Now sec square a minus tan square a. You see, sec square a, you know the relation, sec square a minus tan square equal to 1. So sec square a minus 1 will be equal to tan square a. So in place of this, we can write sec square a into tan square a. So as we want to express this trigonometric expression only in terms of tan, so now let us break this one, sec square. Sec square a is your 1 plus tan square a into tan square a. Now see, now sec has been expressed in terms of tan, so you multiply. It will be tan square a plus tan 4a. See. So this will be the correct option. So if you express sec 4a minus sec square a in terms of what? Tan a, the answer will be this. It will be equal to tan 4a plus tan square a. Okay. So similarly, suppose you want to express cos 4a minus sin square a. See, another question. Suppose we want to express another trigonometric expression, say cos 4a minus sin 4, cos 4a minus yours, cos 4a minus sin 4a. Yes, cos 4a minus sin 4a. See, cos 4a minus sin 4a, suppose you want to express it in terms of, you see, express in terms of cos square a, in terms of cos a. You see, how to express this trigonometric expression, say cos 4a minus sin 4a in terms of cos a. You see, here we expressed, you see, look at this trigonometric ratio which was in terms of sec ratio. We expressed it in terms of what? Tan ratio. Here it is given in terms of both cos and sin. Suppose you want to express this expression in terms of what? cos A. What will be the expression? How to find out? Let us see. Now this can be done like this. Suppose cos 4A minus sin 4A. See, as we want to express this expression only in terms of cos, so this sin must be expressed as in terms of cos. You see, first this is cos square A whole square minus this is sin square A whole square. Okay. Now see, it is A square minus B square, so it is A plus B into A minus B. That means cos square A plus sin square A into cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. Now you know what is the value of cos square A plus sin square? It is 1. So it is 1 into cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. So it is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now, but what is our aim? Our aim is to express this expression only in terms of cos ratio, cosine ratio or cos ratio. So here is another sign, and you know how to express sin square A in terms of cos square A. Sin square A is equal to how much? It is 1 minus cos square A, because sin square A plus cos square A is 1. We know the identity, trigonometric identity. So this can be written as cos square A minus, you see, 1 minus cos square A. Sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A, because sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Now you remove the bracket, the entire expression will be expressed in terms of only cos, you see. So on simplifying, it will become 2 cos square A minus 1. See. So this trigonometric expression, if it is expressed in terms of cos ratio, will give you this one. Okay. If this will be there in the option, you will take it. Okay. Let us discuss another question. See. Suppose you are given a question like this. Suppose you are given a question like this: sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. See, sin theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to dash. What will be the value of this trigonometric? You see this expression, sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. See, now to find its value, what you will do? Look at the denominator. It is 1 plus cos theta. So, what you will do? You multiply 1 minus cos theta to the, take the opposite of this. I mean, take the negative of this expression and multiply. Multiply it to the denominator as well as the numerator. So, it is sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So, I multiplied 1 minus cos theta to the, I multiplied the binomial 1 minus cos theta to the numerator as well as the denominator. See. Now this will give you what? It will give you a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus what? B square. So it will be 1 minus cos square theta. And what will be this? Let this be constant. It is 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta is equal to how much? It is sin square theta. So let us put here sin square theta. So sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now cancel. Sin theta and sin square theta will be cancelled. It will give you sin theta. So what will be the answer? It will be 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Okay. So sin theta by 1 plus cos theta will become 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So children, like this you will attempt this type of MCQ questions whichever is coming in the exam. Just for that we have to remember the what? Different identities and all the formulae of trigonometry on different trigonometric ratios. Okay. So we will discuss more questions in the next class. I hope whatever I discussed in this class you must have understood. If at all it is true, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay. So we shall again meet in the next class with the discussion of more questions on trigonometry. Thank you.